Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by loading the exact photo you want to modify. Pick the highest resolution to retain detail. Once done, tap Effects and choose Vignette. If you don't see it, use the search bar. Make sure the blend mode is normal and set strength around 0. 5. To avoid crushing highlights. You're doing this now so adjustments later behave predictably. Keeping strength moderate preserves texture while giving you control for shaping and feathering in the next step. You now refine the vignette shape and softness to match your composition. First, set size so the darkening covers roughly 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame for a natural portrait focus. Then increase feather between 0.3 and 0.7 for a soft falloff. Reduce it for a harder edge when you want drama. Also toggle oval or rectangle and rotate the mask to align with lines in the scene. This step sculpts attention, so make measured changes and preview at 100%. Finish by matching the vignette's tone and integration into the image. You can add a slight color tint, 5 to 10% warmth or coolness, to harmonize with your photo. Next, tweak opacity and blend so the vignette interacts with the photo's exposure and contrast instead of looking pasted on. Once satisfied, save a copy, and if needed, use the mask or undo to remove the effect from specific areas like faces or highlights, if something looks off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.